Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jyoti. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a purple smoky eye makeup look like this. Okay, and purple color is very in today. We see a lot of celebrities and influencers wearing purple. So yeah, you can carry this look for a party wear, whether it's at night or even daytime. Okay, you can tone it up or little down as per your convenience. Okay, and yeah, so this is a very nice smoky purple eye look. Okay, so before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so I have already tied my hair behind because it's already very hot here. Okay, also with the help of this blotting paper, I'm going to just remove the extra oil from my face. Okay, so it's a very humid weather. Okay, so now as of now I have nothing on my face. Okay, so first I've already prepped my skin. I have applied moisturizer and also toner, so that it's summers and humid weather, so toners come in very handy. We are going to go ahead with a primer. This is by Inside Cosmetics. Okay, I'll take a little bit on my hand, this much. Okay, it's more than enough. I just applied in dotted motions all over, especially where I have pores, okay, open pores. And I'm going to just blend it into my skin. Glam makeup, it's better we do a little bit of makeup so that it pops out really well, the eye makeup. Okay, so now after applying the primer, let us allow it to sit for some time. Okay, after the primer, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the concealer, initially apply it under my eyes, so that it will cancel out the dark circles a bit. Okay, I have this wet sponge. I'm going to blend it out with the help of the sponge. To avoid the concealer looking grey, I need to color correct my under eyes. Since I do not have a color corrector, I'll just go ahead with this orange lipstick. Okay, you can also take an orange lipstick, okay, and just apply it under your eyes or wherever you have the dark spots near your mouth. Usually Indian skin tones have dark mouth area. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender like this, okay, and I'm going to blend it out. Doing the face makeup, I'll just put my eyeshadow on the eyelids. I'm using this small mini eyeshadow from NY Bay, which is in the shade Downtown 21. With the help of my fingers, I'll take this, swirl it around, tap off the excess and place it on my eyelids. Next I'm going to take my foundation. This is by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230. Okay, I'll just take a little bit on the back of my hand, this much. Okay, and then I'll just apply it all over my face in dotted motion. Now with the help of a beauty sponge, we will just blend it out. Okay, make sure to wet the beauty blender. Okay, it should be in a dabbing motion. Okay, under the eyes. So the foundation is blended in well. Okay, next what you're going to do is just apply concealer once again. Okay, because it's a little bit of a glam kind of a makeup, not too much. A little bit should go a long way. Okay, and also on this pimple mark, a little bit around it. Okay, and here very little over here. Okay, taking the same beauty blender, we will blend it out. Okay, you can see with the use of a color corrector or the orange lipstick, you can see there is no gray tint on the face. Okay, initially there was. Okay, so we have cancelled it out by using the orange lipstick. Okay, we're going to move to our eye makeup. Okay, so since it's a purple eye makeup, I am going to use the purple eyeliner, which is Born to Wing eyeliner in the shade Purple Haze by Sugar Cosmetics. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with a mini brush like this. Okay, and here is the product. This is how it looks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm first going to take a little bit of this eyeliner. Okay, this much. This camera focus. Okay, I don't know, it's not focusing anyways. So we will take a little bit of this and I'll just line it over my eyes like this. Okay, okay, so I have already applied this purple eyeliner like this. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small brush. Okay, and I'm going to smudge this. Okay, so even if this has applied a little bit uneven, that's okay, because anyway we are going to smudge this. Okay, so I'll just smudge it. So I have applied this purple eyeliner on both upper and lower lashes. Okay, after applying that, I will take this black kajal and apply on the lower and upper waterline. So I'm not pulling my eyelids too much. It's just light, with light hands. Okay, just a little bit lining, because otherwise the skin color will show on the upper waterline. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, also taking a black smudger brush, I'm going to just smudge the upper line a little bit, not too much. Okay. With the help of this purple eyeliner, again I will line my upper waterline, sorry. Okay, so I have applied and I have smudged a little bit. Now for the final thing, I'll just take a fluffy brush. Okay, take a little bit of, you can take eyeshadow of skin color. I'm taking a little bit of contour, okay, powder, and then I'll just put it here on my lids so that the entire thing blends in really well. Okay, it doesn't look, and there's no sharp line that's visible. Okay, so now after applying the contour on the eyelids, you can use any eyeshadow which is of skin color or any nude color. Okay, and this is how the eye makeup looks. Okay, I'll do on this eye also and I'll be back. Okay, so this is done. Okay, you can see the really nice. It's just blending out a little. Okay, so it does not crease. Okay, and there's no sharp lines anywhere. Okay, so that's it. Okay, next finally I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to take powder and just going to set it. Okay, it will absorb all the extra oil from the face also, especially under the eyes, so that our eye makeup will pop out. Okay, on the forehead, on the neck area, chin. Next we'll just apply some mascara. Okay, a nice thick coat of mascara so that the eye makeup looks even more beautiful. Next step is applying some blush. Taking a brush, I am using this face palette from Sugar in the shade Vivid Victory. I'll take a little bit of blush, tap off the excess, okay, put it on my face, okay, then just blend it. Okay, if the blush is now it's looking too much, but then don't worry because it's going to fade anyways very quickly from the face. So a little bit on my nose. I'll just blend with the help of my okay, like this. Okay, next we will apply some highlighter. So I am using this Sugar highlighter which is in the shade Bronze Bellwether. Okay, it's a liquid highlighter. Okay, I'll just take a little bit on my ring finger, apply this on the high point of my cheeks like this. Okay, we have the only problem with liquid highlighter is it dries up very fast, so we need to blend it well before it dries up. Okay, otherwise it will leave a patchy it'll look patchy on the face, which we don't want. Oh, that's it guys. Okay, we are done with the makeup. Okay, so the final step is just setting spray. Okay, I'll take this Wet n Wild Natural Finish. It gives a dewy finish. Okay, I'll spray it from far. can just fan it, give it a minute or two to dry up, and then that's it. That's it guys, that's it for this video. You can see my eye makeup. Okay, it gives a nice smoky effect. So that's it for today's video guys. In case you like this eye makeup and this entire look, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you're trying this eye makeup look, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read your comments, and also please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll keep coming back with more such videos. Okay, and all the product links will be mentioned in the description box in case you are interested. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Bye.